Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my quick little show-off slash tutorial of my Bukkit plugin, pwrSay. Fun fact, this is my first official plugin. Let's jump straight into it. What this plugin does is it's like a multi-broadcasting plugin. It allows for servers who might want multiple broadcasting units to the chat. For example, if you do /say, which is I think a Bukkit already implemented command, and we just type a random message, you notice it says server and then message. This is what I mean by broadcast. The only issue is you can't change that server prefix, and you can't really change that color. There might be one plugin out there to do it, but this plugin might be better. So next you have broadcaster, which I think is or broadcasting, sorry, or broadcast. I think this is an essentials message, and it does the same thing, but it's just in different colors. You can edit this one, but only one of them. So what this plugin does is adds multiple broadcasting broadcasting units possible, like any amount. If you want to have one for jokes, if you want to have one for quotes, live streams, anything, any way to get your message across to your players, you can have it. And I'm going to go ahead and show you this. The plugin, of course, is called pwrSay. If I type /pwrSay, you'll get a little message that says use pwrSay-help. So now you see 6 commands: test, info, help, say, add, and edit. Now I'm only going to go over the basic commands, which are say, edit, and add, and then we'll go ahead and get this started. So what you want to do, just to make sure the plugin is working, actually I should probably go ahead and do that. Just to make sure the plugin is working, do pwrSay-test, and if you get a message, then it is working properly. So where you're going to start, or where I'm going to start, is showing an example. So if you look in the configuration, once you've started up your server, you'll notice that there is a little text called main with the prefix of pwrCraft. The reason for this is this was implemented for the pwrCraft server, which is my server that I'm on right now. But I'm releasing it to the public, so why not? So we're going to use that as an example. In that configuration, it's called main. So I'm going to go ahead and just type pwrSay. So basically, you'll see it says pwrSay, say, broadcaster, and then the message. Well, in that configuration, like I said, there's that main. That would be counted as the broadcaster. So now I'm going to type a message. And if you look in the config, you'll notice main is set to pwrCraft with all the colors and everything. Now, this is really kind of like okay, so I can do that. It's like saying broadcaster say in the command. Well, how do I add another? Well, pwrSay add. We're going to do live stream, or live. So now that I've added one, it says I successfully did, and now I got to add a prefix. If I don't add a prefix, this is what will show up. Now streaming. pwrSay, that's the default string if you don't add a prefix. So basically, to add a prefix, you're going to do pwrSay edit, call the broadcaster you just made, and then do like a random color. I'm going to do like and3 live, and actually red would look cooler. Yeah. Then F, and then do that. Now if I do pwrSay live, now streaming. Oh, that's not red, that's purple. You'll notice that I added a new one. And if I go ahead and try and do pwrSay say main, which was that first one, and do an example, you'll see that that one's still there. Now, at the moment, I don't have an in-game delete command, but I plan to add it, and I also do not have a listing command, so you cannot see the ones you've created, but I do plan to add that one as well. Another feature I plan to add is power tell, which you can tell players using these, broadcasters. So, hope you enjoyed. This isn't really necessarily a required plugin. It's simply for convenience, and was made specifically for my server, but I figured I'd release it just to, allow other servers to use it if they wanted to. So, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, actually, one more thing. This is optional, but I suggest doing it if you have permissions. There is a permission for this. Only one. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my group using permissions X. It's pwrSay.admin. This will give you all the features, all the commands, everything. So, whatever group you add that to, they will have access. And if you don't have permissions, don't worry, because it is automatically, able to be used by ops. So let's add that. add pwrSay.admin. There we go. And now any admin will be able to use that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. My name is System Z. Thanks for watching.